Creek. So this is Galena Creek. It's a perennial creek, which means it flows year-round. It never dries up like some of the other creeks in our park. And because of that, with the water flowing all year, it causes a lot of erosion on the stream bank. So that means it breaks away some of the rock and some of the soil from the stream banks, and leaves the stream bank a lot weaker, and it also causes more flooding and things like that. So these beautiful plants, we have willows, cottonwoods, alders, and some shrubs and forbs around here. They're called riparian plants because they really like to live right by water, and they have really elaborate root systems under the ground that take hold of the soil and the rock and prevent it from eroding. Because if you think about it, if the creek bed is eroding and the sides of the creek are eroding, the plants are going to end up getting taken down the creek with it. So to prevent that, the plants have evolved these root systems that hold down the soil and the rock. So because of that, they're really important parts of our riparian ecosystem. And in this particular area of the creek side, we don't have any plants. So they probably got wiped out in a storm a few years back. So to fix that, we took a bunch of stems and branches of willows and propagated them. So we soaked them in water and then we planted them, and they'll develop root systems and grow, and their root systems will help stabilize the soil like the other willows and cottonwoods around here. So we planted them right here with a mat to prevent erosion, and we're watering them regularly to try to help them and get them to start rooting and growing. So the plants in our riparian ecosystem are really important for preventing erosion, and as well as just providing a lot of habitat, nesting areas, and food for wildlife. So that's a little bit about soil erosion and a little bit about our restoration project.
The Willow Propagation Project at Galena Creek is funded by the Truckee River Fund, a local grant through the Community Foundation of Western Nevada, with the mission to protect and enhance the water quality and water resources of the Truckee River.